Good afternoon, Richard here. I'm going to make a small video today, a short video, showing how I use hand tools to refine this edge which came off my Festool tracksaw. I have a jointed edge here by hand and a jointed face. This is the face here. So I want to make sure that this edge is square to my jointed face, straight and parallel to the jointed edge. Now the tracksaw does a pretty good job. Firstly, to check if it's square. It's dead square all the way along. Is it flat? Well, with the exception of the machine marks, yes, it's flat. And is it parallel? So if I zero my calipers, I can see that I'm about 40 thousandths of an inch over this 24-inch piece of wood. We can do better than that. So, number 7 jointer plane. I want to be taking off 40 thousandths of an inch across from this edge, from this end. And this is how we do it. So we start at the nose, lengthen the strokes, until we're taking a full length. Now we've cleaned up all the machine marks, so now let's check. Zero that there. And now we're down to 25 thousandths of an inch. So again, we can do a little bit more. 1, 2. Okay. We're still square. We're still flat. Zero this. Now we're down to about 15 thousandths. So I'm almost where I want to be. 1, 2, 3. Okay, zero this. And here. And that's good enough. Stop there. Still flat. And are we square? Alright. Right, we've taken it out of square a little bit on this side, on the right side. So rather than change this here, I'm going to come in with this plane. Which is a Lee Nielsen 95, and this is going to square up the edge. As long as your blade is set properly. It's going to leave you with a jointed edge because this is dead square. Right, that's good. Zero that, and we're dead on. 1/1000th of an inch, which could be the amount of pressure I'm exerting on the calipers, to be honest. There's 2 disadvantages to this plane. One, it's very short, so it will quite quickly take your plane out of flat if you're not careful. And the second, it's a little tricky sometimes to set up, but I did a video a couple of years ago on YouTube, put it on YouTube about that. And the third thing is the maximum width here, I think is 7/8 of an inch, so anything larger than that, it's not going to work. But there we go, a couple of minutes and I've got perfectly squared, flat, parallel piece of stock. All the machine marks are gone, ready for joinery. Thanks for watching.